Hey guys, this is day, I guess, 2.5 update. Finally got a lot of the stuff moved to the center of the garage. Almost done. First coat of everything. Second coat of the drywall screws. Just got to redo another coat now where everything is taped. Just got a few more spots to do here. Got to get the ladder over on the other side now and get that completed. But that'll be done tonight. So at least the first step of all that'll be done. Early next week, time to get my buddy's truck and get some of this wood and stuff out of here. Get rid of that. I don't need it anymore. It's going. Get everything. Give it a quick sand. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a wet sponge sand or or just give it a quick rub over. Like I said, I don't want everything to be like. It doesn't need to be like ultra super smooth. It's a garage. Boxed in the window last night as well. That got done. So yeah, it's coming along. Hopefully by the rest of this weekend. Now this is Friday. I have no idea what the date is. It's like middle of May. My birthday's tomorrow. Yeah, so it's the 12th of May. So there you go. So yeah, I guess this is kind of a birthday gift to myself. Definitely save a lot of money by doing it yourself. So far, I'm probably in for like, I don't know, less than $100 for sure. I've got to get another tub of grout and or plaster, and yeah, that's it. And then we'll get the paint and we'll take it from there.